What is up guys, I am Yeldo and today I'll be showing you some of the easiest ways kung paano magmaster ng song. Alright, so let's get started. I have two methods, paid and free. First is using a master assistant from Isotope Ozone. Meron na itong master assistant with AI-powered modules. So, ipi-play lang natin itong track. Tas, let's wait for the master assistant na matapos. Kasi it will listen to your audio to give you a great starting point para sa mastering chain. Alright, so na-detect niya na R&B, soul ang genre nitong track. Pero you can change all of the settings din naman kasi you will still actually listen to the track by yourself and don't just go with the Ozone's suggestions blindly. So here we can see all of the modules na binild ng Master Assistant for this track. Meron siyang EQ, stabilizer, impact, imager, dynamic EQ, and a maximizer. Tas nakakalibrate na siya sa 11 LUFS, so it is very pretty loud. So let me do you wrong when you give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. And now for the second method is yung free mastering. Punta ka lang sa bandlab.com/mastering and upload mo lang yung file mo dito and wait for it na ma-finish. And after that, merong 4 flavors of mastering settings ang pagpipilian ninyo. First is universal, more natural and balanced siya. Girl, you know I got something. Sunod is fire. Medyo punchy ang lows for this setting. Next is clarity. Etong setting na to is naka-boost yung highs. Happen to makribin natin ng isulit. I like it when you're nude. Para ba kung nagugutom sa yung body. And for the last setting na tape, it will give the track some warmth emulation na parang it was mastered by using some analog gears. Baby, I will make you all wet tonight. But the one I like the most is the universal setting. So let me do you wrong, babe, yeah. So let me do you wrong, babe, yeah. So let me do you wrong. When you give me some good love, good fuck, good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love. Give me some good love, good fuck, good love. Tas after na natin makapili ng setting, just hit this download button. So that is it guys, 2 methods that can make your mastering process very easy. If nakatulong tong video sa inyo, please like this video and subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasub sa channel ko. Thanks for watching guys, see you all again next time. Happy mixing and bye bye!